Let's have theorem number 4. According to theorem number 4, the length of a chord is determined by its distance from the center of the circle. The closer to the center, the larger the chord. Kung mas malapit daw sa center, mas malaki. Okay, so let's show this using GeoGebra. Let's have this one. Let's create two chords. Now, para mas makita natin, kuhanin natin yung distances nitong mga chords na to relative to the center. Distance nitong mga chords na to sa center. And to do that, we will be going to get the perpendicular line the perpendicular distance of the chord to the center. So, kunin ko lang yung intersection. Now, let's look for the distance or the length. This one is 3.44 and this one is 1.98. And let's get the distance of this. This is 5.11. 5.11 tong chord na to. And the other chord is 7.59. Okay. So, as you can see, mas malayo yung isang chord, which is 3.44 away from the center, and the length is 5.11. Let's try to change it. In this case, mas malapit na siya ngayon kay sa center. 0.91 units na lang yung distance niya. And it's actually bigger than 8.37. Ilayo natin ng konti yung isang chord. Yan. Mas malayo ngayon siya sa center, which is at 3.27 units away from the center. And the length of the chord is 5.53. Okay? So I think it verifies the theorem now. So this is theorem number 4. Yung chord na mas malayo sa center ay mas maliit. Something like that. Okay na yan. Let's have this last one for the theorems on chords and diameters. We're going to look for AB and CD. Now, ang question sa libro, sino daw mas mahaba, si AB or si CD? Now, by just applying the theorem, we will find out that CD should be longer because it's nearer to the center. CD is 6 units away from the center, while AB is it's 8 units from the center. So therefore, according to theorem number 4, mas mahaba dapat daw si CD. Okay. But the question is, gaano kahaba si AB at gaano kahaba si CD? Let's compute first for AB. Okay, notice that OG is a radius. So, ibig sabihin, ito, OB is also a radius. So, actually, 10 din. Tama, 10. And we can compute for FB. Tama, FB, using the Pythagorean theorem because this is 90 degrees. Therefore, by the Pythagorean theorem, we have OB squared is equivalent to what's that? F, no? FO. OF squared. Tsaka FB squared. OB is 10 units. And OF is, what's OF? That's 8 units. And FB, that's what we're looking for. FB. Times to lang natin yung FB, then we can get AB. I-arrange lang natin. We have FB squared is equal to 10 squared minus 8 squared. And this is equivalent to 10 plus 8, that's 18. Times 10 minus 8, that's 2. And this is 36. And FB squared equals 36. Therefore, FB is equal to plus or minus 6. At 6 na yung kailangan natin doon. Therefore, AB is equal to 6 times 2. That's 12 units. Let's have CD. CD, ganun ulit. Let's draw this radius over here, OD, which is actually 10 units. And we're going to look for ED. By the Pythagorean theorem, we have CD squared is equal to OE squared plus ED squared. Let's substitute. CD is 10 units, OE is 6 units, and ED, that's what we're looking for, ED. And let's arrange this. We have ED squared is equal to 10 squared minus 6 squared. 10 plus 6, that is 16. 10 minus 6, that is 4. 16 times 4 is 64. So therefore, ED is equivalent to plus or minus 8. 8 lang yung kailangan natin doon. Therefore, CD, this is 8 units. CD is twice 8. We have 16. Thus, AB is 12 units and CD is 16 units, which confirms our theorem number 4 that those chords closer to the center are longer compared to those who are farther from the center.